Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. And guess what? Happy birthday to me. This is my first entry to my birthday challenge. If you guys don't know what it's about, here we go. Before I get into from this room. Birthday challenge giveaway, how to enter. Make one birthday themed ATC card. Please put your name, your YouTube channel name, and your address on the back. One entry. If you choose to send goodies, you get 2 extra entries. It's starting already. Ends the 7th basically. Waiting for my mailman to come on the 7th. Once he comes, I will pick the winners. 2 winners, guys. 2 winners. 2 prizes. USA only. Must be 18. I keep forgetting to say that, and I should mention that. It actually is in the details of the first initial video if you want to see the prizes. There are some things I have put in there that you won't know until you get your package. So if you do not have my new address, please email me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com. So also, let's see. This is from Sabrina Crafty Journey. And I'm just going to pull stuff up. Ooh. Alright, I kind of know what's in this because I peeked. So we got ATC number 1. These are some cool envelopes. That maybe then there's ATC. Whoops. Okay, wait. ATC number 1, ATC number 2, ATC number 3. Oh, she's on the ball here. All right. ATC number 4. Wow, Sabrina. Okay. Got a card. Make sure none of these envelopes have any more ATCs in here. These are so cool little envelopes. And as we can tell, they fit ATC cards, so that's awesome. This is from Sabrina Crafty Journey. If you guys were wondering, I don't know if I mentioned that. I don't think there's any more ATC cards, but just in case, I'll go through all the pile. I got this over a week ago, guys, but as you know, if you watch my live or you have been paying attention, I've been sick. Here we go. So we got all the little envelopes within there. And we have a card. So we're going to open the card first. It's my first birthday card. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's not even a birthday card. Wishing you a sugar and sprinkles and everything nice. Look at it. He's so cute. Let me keep this short and to the point. Happy birthday. Hugs from Sabrina, Zachary, and Jamie. Look at that. This is my first birthday card. That is so cute. I love that little guy. He's a hedgehog. I believe it's a hedgehog. Alright. So, now, Sabrina has this awesome store by her. I can't remember precisely what the name of it is, but she finds awesome stuff, and I was telling her she came across these bags. I would take some and I would buy them. Well, she decided to send me them for her entry. So we got them, and she sent me this cool paper she was telling me about. She's like, yeah, see, I don't know. It's like a printer paper, but it feels different. She was telling me that. Ooh. Cool. She sent me some of her mixed media paper. See, I didn't see these. I peeked in the bag. Wait a minute. She is so good, getting so good. She's always been good at crafting. She always doubts herself in her mixed media, and she's doing awesome. I don't know. She said she was going to figure out where she got this stamp because I think this stamp is awesome. It's the one thing I spotted I had to look check out. So, I'm like, where'd you get this stamp, girl? I need that in my life. So cool. Then, she was showing me these, and these are extras that Zach didn't need. And they're things for Crocs. And me and my grandkids like Crocs. Coda Bear, Riley, look at them. I'm like, oh my God, I'll buy some of them. Well, she sent me a bunch to give them, as well as me, because I'm going to look at Reese's and we'll put that on my Croc. But they're so cool. But Pepsi. Ha ha. That's going on mine. But kids are going to like, and the bracelets. Look at these little bracelets. So Coda and Riley love Crocs. I don't know. So Allie wears mine when she's here. Because I have many pairs of Crocs. Burger King. The Mermaid. Look at the little pony. Oh, and Kentucky Fried Chicken. That's funny. Skittles. Cool. There's another Kentucky Fried Chicken. The things they think of, I tell ya. Butterflies. A burger. Coca-Cola. Give that one a diamond. And then these little characters, I think Mega Box or whatever. Here's a mermaid. They're gonna flip SpongeBob, I think. Yeah, that's SpongeBob. Cheetos. These are so cool. Happy Days. Oh, I'll put Dragonfly on mine. Yeah, Coda gave me one that I don't remember what it says at the moment because I found one in the yard. I put it on my Croc, Duff Spears, and that from The Simpsons. Sunglasses. There's so many. They're so cool. In and Out burgers. We don't have one of them. Look at the suns. Cute. So I'll let them pick. Oh, look at the owl. I can't wait to share them the next time I see them. I haven't seen my grandkids because we all been sick off and on, so we're kind of staying away from each other, which I think is the best bet this season, I tell ya. So, I will have Sabrina's channel link in the description box. Speaking of Sabrina, she has a birthday challenge going on too. I will link that video. So go over and check out her birthday challenge and enter hers as well. These are so cool. They feel weird. They're like that funky plastic. Isn't it cool? Alrighty. So, we got the goodies taken care of. Okay. Now let's check out the ATCs. Haha. ATC number 1. I'm going to save the envelope. I can cover that. Happy birthday. Look how pretty that is. Theme birthday. Artist, Sabrina. Sabrina's Crafty Journey for 1/20/24. Hashtag number 1. Them are cool. Number 2 ATC. I guess she could make up her mind. Sorry. That's pretty too. Birthday wishes. Look at that. She's got the little cake. And her backgrounds. Theme. Birthday theme. Card number 2. Of course. I just said that. Number 2. I love the stamp. Where you can do it on the back. So number 3. Party! Woohoo! The balloons. Oh, look at her background. She's just doing awesome. Sabrina. Her backgrounds are so cool. And ATC number 4. It's celebrate. Well, same. ATC. They were such cool stamps. I think she got them from Miss Cat, matter of fact. Oops, I am sorry I hit my camera. So, we're going to put them right there. I'm going to get my paper here. And, sorry, my phone, my camera in the front of the house went off. So, here's my giveaway bear. A couple years ago, Riley decorated him. So, and Sabrina sent in 1, 2, 3, 4 HCs, so she gets 4. Interest for that. In the bucket, or I should say, in the bear it goes. Okay. Okay, 2, 4. Okay. Two. Sabrina. One, 2. Okay. Now I'm going to count. This is her paper as 2. Sabrina. Okay. And she got this size bags. And she's got this size base. And this size bags. And I don't think I missed anything. They are in the giveaway bear. So thank you, Sabrina. I love my ATCs. I love everything. Thank you so much. And let's get my binder. Real quick here. Ooh, I might have to put this one on top. I don't think I'm gonna, yep, so I'll just, actually I might put it in the middle. And maybe it's the first one, but I'm gonna put it in the middle because I'm gonna try to tape that down like I did before. So we'll put that one there. We'll put this one in the middle, and then we'll put this one here. I know they're out of order, but I don't want to wreck that. And with it. One's right here. Some washi tape. And I'm just going to go like this on the top. Then I'll just put it like that on top of the plastic. There we go. Awesome. So, that's that. Alright. So cool. Thank you so much. Oh, shoot. I didn't count the envelopes. My bad. I was moving things out of my way and realized I forgot the envelopes. Sabrina got 2 more entries. Okay. Here we go. Boom. They're in the bucket. Okay. Alright. Almost forgot that. Okay. What was I going to say? Oh, right here. Okay. If you're up to and you would like, make one ATC themed ATC card. Please put your name, address, and all that good stuff on the back. Like I said, you can make more than one. You still get 1 entry. And if you send goodies, it's 2 extra entries. I meant to say per goodies. So, and I forgot, per item. Okay? There you go. So you know. So, if you have any questions, just please email me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching. Also, I will have Sabrina's birthday challenge video linked in this video. So go over and see what she would like for her birthday. As always, thank you, Sabrina. I love everything. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.